Assist to ambulate using a transfer belt. Explain the procedure clearly and slowly, maintaining face-to-face contact wherever possible. Before assisting to stand, the client is wearing shoes. Before assisting to stand, the bed is in a safe level. Before assisting to stand, check and lock the bed wheels. Before assisting to stand, the client is assisted to a sitting position with their feet flat on the floor. Before assisting to stand, apply the transfer belt securely at the waist, over the clothing or over their gown. Before assisting to stand, provide instructions to enable the client to assist in standing, including a prearranged signal to alert the client to begin standing. Stand facing the client, positioning self to ensure safety of the candidate and the client during the transfer. Count to 3 or say any other prearranged signal to alert the client before standing. On signal, gradually assist client to stand by grasping the transfer belt on both sides with an upward grasp. Candidate's hands are in an upward position and maintaining the stability of the client's legs. Walk slightly behind and to one side of the client for a distance of 10 feet while holding onto the belt with an underhand grasp. After ambulation, assist client to bed and remove transfer belt. Signaling device is within reach and the bed is in low position. After completing the skill, wash hands.